think the ladies have all voted to bring in a moustache.
Hey! Stop!
Aren't I a lucky fiance?
Okay, the creek is just right here.
Here's camp for the evening. Don't know if you can hear the cockatoos, but we've got some light on the ranges in the background. We are surrounded by red rock cliffs, so we're just going to chill. We're going to have just a little snack before dinner.
What a nice free camping patch in our gorge. Really good. Cheers to that.
Cheers. Donk.
It's so peaceful now. I felt really bad going with a mug, going with no exhaust. It's so loud.
It is very loud.
All the wildlife doesn't like
resonates.
it. Yeah, you can tell there are some little wallabies when we came here. They jumped straight away. They were like, nope, we're out. We got the resonator back. You would have seen on the previous episode, but we'll just need to somehow get it back on the exhaust. Not too sure
Yeah, I'll try
what's the solution for that, but for now we'll just enjoy the...
Because it's pretty raspy. I
Very-
kind of like it, but I kind of hate it at the same time.
Yeah, let us know what you think. Do you like the mug like that a bit louder, or do you hate it? Alright, just chilling, and we'll see you tomorrow morning.
Absolute cracker of a fire this morning with this incredible view. Angie's just behind me making pancakes for both of us, so she'll be out soon and we can chill and really enjoy this fire. It's not actually too cold this morning. We keep our egg cartons because they light really well, and we've got some little kind of eco fire bricks as a fire starter. That was the first time using them just with a normal barbecue lighter, and lit up straight away, just with a few bits of sticks and just some of the bark that falls off the gum trees here. Yeah, it's beautiful. Get to just kind of chill this morning, don't have to drive straight away.
Breakfast by the fire.
My pancake princess.
Yes, that's me. Oh,
Thank you, baby.
oh, thank you.
Aren't I a lucky fiance?
Yeah.
Yeah. And even got jam and peanut butter.
It's already all the toppings.
Pre-spread. Alright, chill time.
Bon appetit. I love fires in the morning, much better than in the evening, because you can kind of like relax quite for a long time. You know that it's not gonna get dark and you're really freezing. It's a beautiful gorge. I'm so happy we came here. So last night we actually camped a little bit further this way. We're the first one to park up, and there was 3 cows who actually joined, And that's something that I don't really understand too much in free camp area, that people, when they see a car, they park next to them. But this place is kilometers long, so there's no need to be next to each other. And there were kids, they were loud. So both of us were like, no, that's just not what we want. We want to wake up to peaceful and really, you know, have a fire. And even privacy wise, I just found it, they were way too close to us. So yeah, we just packed up and just drove like 500 meters away. We can't even hear them. We're blocked by these rocks behind us, and that's much better spot as well. So probably happened for a reason. We just finished breakfast. Gonna have a little tea maybe, just to chill a bit more by the fire. Chris, don't know if you can see him over there, he's shaving. That's his little spot by the mug. Oh my god, what is he doing? The mustache is back. No way. Something needs to be addressed.
I think the ladies have all voted to bring in a moustache.
What do you think, ladies? Are you on Team Chris moustache or on Team Ange?
Actually, on that note, how many ladies do watch our channel? Because when we look at the analytics, it says 95% male, 5% female. Actually, it might even be less than that. Please let us know if you are a woman who watches the channel, enjoy it. Please let us know what you enjoy the most. This is separate of the moustache. What you enjoy the most about the channel, because we would like to get our female viewers up. Okay.
Are you ready for your steam hammam? Alright, so the fire is out, packing the chair, and we're off to Gorges.
Crazy birds! We find emus hilarious. They do the weirdest stuff. You'll see them a mile away. They'll see the truck, flip out, and just start charging towards the road and just pin across the road right in front of the truck for no reason. They're hilarious. They're like a Muppet cartoon character.
Alright, so we actually haven't made it to Glasgow. We were on the way and we've made a last minute spontaneous decision to check out a station. Look at these cuties.
Oh, they're so cute.
Oh. So we are in Mululu station. Is that
Mululu.
Mululu station, and it's a private again station where there are 4-drive track and bush camps. So we are heading to a 4-drive track that head towards a gorge again. So we've got a little map with some instruction. We just paid $60 for camping and access to the truck.
Yeah,
That's
got a
where
little
we're
key
heading.
for the gate, which Ange has.
now.
I got the key to the city.
All right. Good stop, straight. Okay. A bit. Yeah, you're good. Straight. And now start to turn. Straight. Okay. That's right. That's right. That's right. Okay. You're good. Yeah, you're good. Okay, a bit more. Turn your tire this way. Okay. Nah, that's going too much like that, I think. Yeah, straight. Yeah, you good? Okay, a bit more. Chris, stop. You too much on the left. Like that. Yeah, and now like that. Better. Good, now straighten up. And now like that. Yeah, straighten. Straighten. Yeah, better. Good, almost there. Yeah, you're good. Perfect. Okay. Driver. Okay, yeah, you're good. Okay, passenger. Okay, slowly. Yeah, you're good there. I'm just gonna look ahead. Yeah, you don't have any obstacles here. Okay, I'm just gonna look ahead 1 second. Okay, the creek is just right here. So you can descend just right here, it's good. can stop.
All right, change of plan. We've decided to stop just before the forward drive track and chill for the rest of the day because the weather is stunning. Such a beautiful spot to camp, nice and peaceful here. So I've just had lunch and just about to have hers. So you would have seen us coming to camp, and the reason we had to make our own track through our old riverbed was because there was this one big tree that unfortunately was right at an off-camber section. So no matter which way you kind of took it, the box on the back of the Mog was going to scrape into the tree, and it wasn't exactly a tree that would move. So we decided to make a new track, and this is all riverbed. We're not doing any damage here, and the station hand said just make any tracks that you need to get around. So that's really nice. He also said use the chainsaw if you had to, but we haven't had to use that. Maybe we'll need to on the forward drive track, but we won't know until tomorrow.
The last part of the forward drive track, I must admit, I didn't enjoy it that much. It's quite stressful for me to be able to spot Chris. I don't think very good at it. I think the big mistake we made is we didn't have the UHF radio to have like good communication, and that would have definitely helped because Chris couldn't see me in the shade and couldn't really hear me with the Mog being quite loud. So yeah, that would have definitely made, I guess, a little excursion, making our own track a little bit easier, but at least that's a lesson learned for tomorrow. So yeah, I'm just gonna have lunch. Chris is collecting firewood for later. Just wanted to show very briefly the lunch, just vegetarian wraps. I usually quite have vegetarian lunch. So there's just some avocado, halloumi, some beans, some tomato, rockets, and a mandarin as well. So it's gonna be very nice, and we'll train a little bit later.
Means we're going to have a big fire today and a big fire tomorrow. Absolutely love this Makita chainsaw. It does such a good job. These are the firelighters I was mentioning this morning, the natural firelighters. I guess they're all like munched up wood, but they really take off. They're great. So I'm just going to put them on an egg carton and light these dead branches up. So we have a very exciting new member of the outfit family. So I'm just going to get him out. No, it's not,
Shovel!
Not Mr. Shovel, you've seen him before. He doesn't get much use. It's something quite a bit more exciting for us.
Why, it's thirsty.
Yeah! So we bought ourselves a barbell on the last day in Adelaide on the way out. Gosh, I'm so glad we covered it, Ange. It's filthy.
It is.
So, we've wanted a barbell for quite some time. Never got around to getting one because obviously it's really hard to get a barbell shipped anywhere. So we managed to pick this up off a bloke new off Facebook Marketplace. We don't have any weights for it yet, so that's something we didn't manage to quite secure before we left. So we're going to get some plates so that we're hoping we can have 80 kilos of plates, and therefore with the bar it'll be 100 kilos that we can play around with. Now a lot of people have said when they saw the dumbbells on our walk around that, oh, you can just use different things for training. Yes, and most importantly, no. You could do that in a pinch, but for Ange and I who regularly want to train every single week at least 3 times and emulate as best we can the environment in a gym, we need proper weights. Not water buckets or rocks or anything like that. That only works at a pinch, not long term. So that's why we got the Unimog in the first place, so that we could load it up with the things that we really want that we couldn't do in the Jeep. So we are so stoked. And now we're going to do a little workout. So I'll clean the barbell up, show you our workout. So Ange and I, because we don't have any plates, we're just doing a very simple workout of 10 rounds. So we're going to do 100 reps of each exercise just with the weight of the bar, which is 20 kilos. Our first exercise is going to be a Romanian. So it's a Romanian deadlift for hamstrings. Then we're going to go cleans for 10 as well. Then we're going to bend back over and do 10 bent over row. Back up here after the 10 front squats, 10 overhead press. While I'm doing that, Ange will run to the tree down there and back. I'll stop it to her and she'll do the same thing, but she'll do 5 reps on the upper body, but the 10 reps on lower body. Easy.
And this is the reward after a really nice workout, a warm shower, a warm fire, and a snack.
Doesn't get much better.
Yeah. If you like motivation to train, what I would recommend is you train with someone, because today I struggled a little bit and Chris was always like pushing me and motivating me. So that really helps, like, to give encouragement to your partner and like do like a workout with someone. Really, it's really much better.
Really.
It's really much better. All right, so we're gonna just have, I guess, a little chill here.
And then we'll have dinner.
Yeah, tonight I'm making a chicken pad thai by Ange. Not really a traditional recipe, but we do what we can in the bush. And we'll see you bright and early tomorrow to finish off with a 4-draft track.
And thank you to you guys for watching. Ange and I get to do this in the middle of nowhere, so
yeah.
Thank you so much for your support.
All right, good morning. Getting ready to tackle the 4-draft track today. Packed up the camper. Chris is using our grey water to put the fire down, which is really good, really dual purpose. Remove the rocks already. So where are we heading to?
So we've decided, rather than taking the road, we're going to go down the riverbed. We just walked some of it, and I'm thinking it's going to actually be an easier path for us. Luckily, because we've got such huge ground clearance and the trees are larger and not as overhanging, we'll probably have to make our way back onto the road at some point, but it should be quite a lot more beautiful going down the riverbed anyway.
So we had a nice little morning, nice start to the day by the fire. We've as well put our window covers, as you can see here. That was a little bit harder than we thought, but we did it. So we're all ready to go. Let's do it. Let's see what's on the roof. Ah, not too bad. Welcome to our penthouse.
Hello.
All right, so we have finished the 4-draft track a bit earlier, went all the way to Ferguson Gorge, so at the end did the walk. stopped a little bit before because it was getting a bit just too scratchy. It was not really four drive, it was just narrow.
Yeah, it wasn't really
Scratchy
forward drive. Yeah, it was just
dirt
super
road.
narrow. So we did a bit of a hike.
And it was really beautiful, yeah, beautiful gorge. And we've driven a bit further and we are now finally in Glass Gorge that we've been talking about for quite some time.
And it's beautiful.
Look at the view. Like this camp is just off the charts.
It's awesome.
So we're probably just going to do a little bit of cleaning on the roof. We are so impressed with the EnerDrive solar panels. At some stage there was a big branch where I got a bit worried that was too close to them, but they look perfectly intact.
They look fine.
They're a bit dusty, so we might give them a good clean so that we get maximum solar in the coming days. Other than that, yeah, no, they've been brilliant, all the solar system, and so good. All right, so we'll finish the episode here, and I guess we'll take you along the next adventure, heading towards the Gammon Ranges and starting to head north after that.
Yes.
Yes. So hope you enjoy the series so far. Thanks a lot for all the support.
And thank you so much for all the comments. We read all of them and we will take them on board and stuff. It's really nice.
So see you next week.
See you later, guys.